Hi there from Tové. It's soon to be the end of the festive season, the start of the new year, which means we've got some work to do to pack away the Christmas trees. Woo! Taking the baubles down. I hope you don't take them down that roughly. What goes up must come down. We don't want to think about it yet, do we? Yeah, well, I guess whatever we ate in 2021 by means of comfort has also got to come down. No, that's true for me. I intend to laugh it off. Let's see how that goes. Laughter. It gives you energy, it gives you enthusiasm and hope for life again. It's good for you. Keep laughing.